A warm welcome to one and all. Thank you for joining us. It's a beautiful morning and we are sure it's going to be a very high intensity game. These players will be taking the field today. Both teams look balanced and eager to perform.
Ladies and gents, please stand up for the national anthems.
Welcome everyone to this wonderful venue. We have the umpires walking out with the new ball in their hand. Pace bowler into the attack. Mid-on in place. Mid-on in place. The bowler has the new ball. We're all set to go for the first ball of the innings. Muscle, a magnificent shot for four. He's too good a player not to take advantage of anything loose. But that's going to be for all right. Sweet timing. This is impressive captaincy, giving his bowler an attacking field. It looks in good batting form. Easy enough for the batsman to play for a single or a two if they run well. Poor running between the wickets, really poor. Good shot for a single. Nailed it. Absolutely. Perfect throw. The fitness level of the players today is something else. Wonderful to see them run like that. Leg byes, 4 runs. No connection between bat and ball. Umpire signals leg byes. It doesn't matter how the runs come as long as they're coming. Well, the captain has been very smart with his bowling changes. Solidly blocked with an assured footwork. Spinner brought into the attack. Well, that brings us to the end of the power play. Fielding captain can now have more fielders outside the inner circle. Good shot for a single. This field set demands a very tight line and length from the bowler. This is impressive captaincy, giving his bowler an attacking field. Hammered away for 4, good placement. The batters need to start taking a few risks now. Scoring rate at the moment is a crawl. Good ball and well defended too. Feel the bowler should be around that good length area more. It's in the gap. They will look for some extra runs here. That was a poor throw. Needs to be a lot more accurate. Very well played. Just working on the field where the gaps are. Well bowled and equally well played. Last ball coming up. Well, that's a massive six. Made a cracking sound of the bat. End of the first inning. Won't be long before we resume this thrilling contest. The fielding side looks warmed up and ready to go. Pace bowler into the attack. The bowler has the new ball. We're all set to go for the first ball of the innings. Oh, he's clubbed that for a six. That's a great hit. Tell you what, that shot looks even better in the replay. Lovely timing. Beautiful shot by the batsman. That's for more. Good aggressive intent shown by the batsman. That is glorious. Perfect timing and placement. I know he's a fierce competitor and doesn't shy away from a challenge, but that is just crossing the line, I think. Will he take him on again? Let's see. That's a beauty. The batsman had to play at that one. Batsman losing his concentration there. Glorious. Absolutely glorious. There's such a wonderful crowd in to watch their favorite players. Oh, beats the edge and the batsman's played all around that one. Spinner brought into the attack. Well, that brings us to the end of the power play. Fielding captain can now have more fielders outside the inner circle. Easy enough for the batsman to play for a single or a two if they run well. I tell you what, he uses the crease well to play the spinners. Shot, lovely shot right from the middle of the bat. The bowler is looking furious. There's a short ball coming. Easy enough for the batsman to play for a single or a two if they run well. There is a little bit on the surface for the bowlers. It is also good for batting. Good shot for a single. Direct hit. As a batsman, one should never take on his arm. Very important to keep wickets in hand, because in the death overs, they'll have that security. Turned away for a single. Nice throw straight to the top of the stumps.